Very good morning, dear students, dear children. In the last period, I explained about the chapter decimals in 4th standard. So today also I am going to continue the same chapter. It is decimals only. Dear students, once you remember which are the points you learned, what is mean by decimals, how to represent, how to read the decimals, how to write the decimals, and also expansion of decimals, writing the expanded form into the standard form. So these are all the points you learned in the last classes. Today I am going to explain how to convert fractions into decimals as well as decimals into fractions. It's very important, dear children. In higher classes also it is very useful. So watch the video very carefully. Now I should start. It is conversion of decimals to fractions. Conversion of decimal form into the fractional form. So both are interconnected. Dear children, these are the questions which comes under my practice time too. So please watch it carefully. It is this type of problems in my practice 2 in the page number 98. Okay, so convert 0.5. So it is exactly, it's a decimal number because 0.5 is a decimal number. Convert it into fraction. Observe, dear children. So in decimal place, how many digits are there? It is having only one digit. So what is the digit? You write that in the numerator. Here, if it is having only one place, it is 10. So that it is 10. 5 by 10. 0.5 is nothing but 0.5 is nothing but 5 by 10. So similar questions are there in the my practice exercise part. I could explain here. It is 0.87. 0.87. Observe. So 87 should write it in the numerator. How many places are there? It is 10. It is 100. How many places? 100. So 187 by 100. If it is having 2 digits, it should be 100. If it is only 1 digit, it should be 10. If it is 3 digit, in the denominator, it is 100. Sorry, 1000. Likewise, you can write it. So the next one is 0.776. 0.776. 776 should write it in the numerator. Don't say that it is 0.776. It is the wrong way of pronouncing the decimals. 0.776. Write it 776 in the numerator. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits, so that it should be 10, 100, 1000. So 1000 should write it. It means 3 zeros. 3 digits, write 3 zeros. One more, you can take, it is 0.005. So write 005 is nothing but 5 only. In the denominator, how many digits are there? How many digits are there, dear children? 1, 2, 3. So there will be, it should be 3 zeros in the denominator. That is 1 after 3 zeros, it is nothing but 5 by 1000. 1000 places are there, so that it is 5 by 1000. So don't write that 5 by 10. 5 by 10 is nothing but 0.5. Here number of digits are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits. How many digits are there? Write such number of digits followed by 1. That is nothing but 1000. Take one more. it is also very important. 0.09. So 09 is nothing but 9 by how many digits are there? There are 2 digits. In the answer also it should contain in the denominator 2 zeros. 1, 2. Here also 2 places, 2 digits, write 2 zeros. 9 by 100. Take one more, dear children. It is 1.09. So observe 1.09. So this is whole number part. If the whole number part is having any number, then it should be in mixed fraction. 1 is in whole number part and 09 is in the numerator. How many digits are there? 2 digits. So in the denominator there will be 2 zeros. How many zeros will come? 2 zeros. 2 zeros is nothing but 100. So it is also called 1 into 9 by 100. So this is the answer. So take one more question, dear children. Again it is 2.89. 2.89. So here I am going to write 2 is in whole number part. It is the whole number, it is the decimal. This decimal only you are writing into the fractional form. So 2 it should be in the whole number part, 89 in the numerator. So how many digits are there here? 1, 2. So in the denominator there will be 2 zeros. That means 2 zeros are followed by 100. 1 it is 100. 2 into 89 by 100. So take one more. It is 99.001. 99 is in whole number part. So write 99. In the numerator it is 001 by. So how many digits are there, dear children? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 digits. So 1 after there will be 3 zeros. That is nothing but 1000. It is also 99. 001 is nothing but 1 by 1000. So this is the answer. In this way you convert the decimal numbers into the fractions. So it's very simple. Dear children, remaining questions in the exercise part, try to complete all the questions. These are very simple questions. Now I should proceed to the next one. How to convert fractions into decimals. Fractions into decimals. It's also very important. It is there in second main in the second exercise part. Conversion of fractions to decimals. Fractions to decimals. Questions given in fractions, you need to convert it into decimals. Observe, the first one is 6 by 10. Second one is 9 by 10. Third one is 83 by 100. Next is 50 by 1000. Next one is 8 by 100. And the last one is 779 by 1000. Okay. So observe, dear children, these are very important as well as very simple. You should, once you keep it in your mind, you will not forget. Okay. So in the first one, what is the first question? It is 6 by 10. 6 by 10. So in the denominator, how many zeros are there here? Only 1 zero. That means decimal point after 1 digit will come. That is, what is the in the numerator? It is 6 only. Decimal point after one digit will come, that is 6 only. Here you write 0, 0.6. So in the same way, can you do it second one? Here in the denominator only 1 0. That means after decimal point, one digit will come. How many? What is the digit here? It is 9 only. 0.9. Here you write 0. That means 0.9. So come to the third one. It is 83 by 100. How many zeros are there? 1, 2. There are 2 zeros. Decimal point after 2 digits will come. It is 83. So 0.83. 0.83. What is there in the numerator? That is 83. That is point after 83 will come. So now you come to the next one. It's very important, dear children. Here 1, 2, 3. There are 3 zeros. Decimal point after 3 digits will come. How many digits will come? 3 digits. Which are those 3 digits? But in the numerator they have given only 2-digit number. It is 50. So how to write? Don't write it as 500. How to write then? It should be 0.050. That means in the denominator it is having 3 digits, 3 zeros. After decimal point it should be 3 digits, but in the numerator they have given only 2 digits. So you need to write 050. Now you come to the next one. In the same way you can do it. How many zeros are there? 1, 2. Decimal point after it should be 2 places. So but they have given only 8. So where you should write 8 here or here? You should write always it is 100 place. 8 should be in 100 place. Here should write 0. That means 0.08. Here also 50 is there in 1000. So 0.050. So now you come to the next one. How many zeros are there, dear children? There are 3 zeros. Point after 3 digits will come. So which are 779? 779. 0.779. So in this way you convert fractions into decimals. So by seeing the denominator, whether it is 10, decimal point after 1 digit will come. If it is there 100 in the denominator, decimal point after 2 digits, 2 places will come. If it is there 1000 in the denominator, decimal place after how many digits will come? 3 digits will come. So likewise, by using your common knowledge, you can convert fractions into decimals. So I hope you can complete the remaining questions given in the exercise part. Dear students, now I shall proceed to the next part, that is worksheet given in the page number 100. Try to do this worksheet also in your notebook. So it is worksheet. It is there in the page number 100. Try to complete all these exercise parts in the worksheet also. So I could explain some questions in this worksheet. Observe, dear children, write the decimal fraction for the shaded region. They have given 2 pictures. One is circular and another one is rectangular parts given. So here write the fractional of the shaded parts. So this is the circle. How many parts it has made? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts they have made. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 parts. So out of these 5 parts, 2 parts are shaded. two parts are shaded. Okay, so these two parts. Okay, how many parts are shaded? Total number of parts, how many dear children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 parts are there. 2 parts are shaded. That is, the fraction is 2 by 5. Total number of parts, you should always write it in the denominator. How many parts are colored or shaded or take out or selected? Those you should write it in the numerator. Number of parts are selected, write it in the numerator. What is the answer? It is 2 by 5. In the same way, you do it second one. See the second main, dear children. The second main is write the following decimals as numerals. So it's very simple question. Decimals, write the following as decimals. So which are 12.8, 12.06, 12.06, 4.05, B 4.05. Observe, only 2 questions because in exercise part also I explained. 12.06, 12.06. How you are going to read? In the same way you write it, convert it to numerals. So next is also 4.05. That's it. Very simple. In the next main, convert write as numerals into words. The questions given like this. So A 0.876, B it is 8.93. Observe, it is 0.876. 0.876. You write it in the numerals. Sorry, in the words. 0.876. That's it. 0.876. Next is 8.93. 8.93. So in this way you write the remaining questions. Now I should proceed to the next stage. Write in expanded form. They have given the decimals. You should write it in the expanded form. So it is also very simple. Standard form of decimals in the first period I explained. So the first one is, this is the fourth main, expand the following. Expand the following. Here the first one is, that means A 89.07, B it is 0.451. Observe, dear children, this one you are going to expand it. So 89, how to write 89? There are 8 tens, that is 80, plus 9 ones, that is 9. Point is also represented by plus. How many tens are there? 0 tens. 0 by 10 plus. How many hundredths are there? There are 700. That means 7 by 100. So you can write in one more step also. How to write? 80 plus 9 plus. Here 10th place is not there. That is 0. Again, no need to write the 10th place. Next is 7 by 100. So you can write like that. See the second one. Second one also very simple. The whole number part is 0. 0 plus 0. The whole number part is 0 plus 4. 4 is in 10th place. 4 by 10 plus 5 is in 100 place. It is 5 by 100. Again plus 1 is in 1000 place. So it is 1 by 1000. So in this way you expand the decimals. So you can do it remaining questions. Next is write it in the standard form. They have given expanded form. You need to write it in the standard form. Standard form is also called as, you should write it in the numerals. That is fifth one, write as decimal number. Write the decimal number. See here, the first one is 600 plus 70 plus 6 plus 9 by 100 plus 3 by 1000. So here you need to write the decimal number. Next one, B is 7000 plus 70 plus 6 by 10 plus 9 by 100. So here also you write it in the decimal form. Observe here children. 676 676 point. Here decimal point starts. Point. First place is 10th place, but they have not given the 10th place. So if they have not given 10th place, it is understood you write 0. In the 10th place, the number is not there, you write 0. In the 100th place, what is there? 9 is there. In the 1000th place, what is there? It is 3. Then what is the decimal number? It is 676.093. This is the decimal form. Now you come to the second one. 7070. Here 10 place is there, then 100 place is there. 7000. 1000 after, you need to write the 100 place, but 100 place not given. What you are going to write? You write it 0 because 100 place is not given. You write as 0. Next is how many times? There are 7 times. Again ones also not given. It is 70 point. That is 6 by 10. 6 is in 10th place and 9 is in 100th place. 7070.69. So in this way you write the expanded form into the standard form. So dear students, the next one is convert the following fractions into decimals. 6th main and 7th main. So it's very simple chapter. Within 2 periods you have completely learned all the exercise questions. 6th, convert fractions to decimals. fractions to decimals. That is 3 by 10. B is 2 by 100. Then enough. 2 questions enough. Come to seventh main. Convert decimals to fractions. So what is the first one? It is 3.2 and the second one is 1.05. Okay, so here I have taken two problems in each. Fractions to decimals. This is the fractions, 3 by 10. 2 by 100 is the fraction. Now you need to convert it to decimals. So when you are converting, in the denominator how many zeros are there? After followed by 1, there is only 1 0. That means decimal point after 1 digit will come. It is 3 by 10. It can be written as 0.3. Decimal point after 1 digit will come. The answer is 0.3. Observe dear children. So here second also 2 by 100. In the denominator there are 2 zeros. Decimal point after 2 places will come. So here only 1 digit, that is, so 10th place you write 0, then 100th place it is 2. 0.02. That is the answer. Okay. Now you come to the next, convert the decimals into fractions. So this is 3.2 is the decimals, convert it to fraction. So 3 is the whole number part. It is whole number part. You should write it in the mixed fraction. It is here. So how many digits are there? Only 1 digit. Write the digit in the numerator. So in the denominator it is having only 1 digit. 1 is followed by 1 0. 2 by 10. So this is the fractional form. In the next one, 1 is the whole number part, 1, and in the numerator, what is there here? 0, 5. How many digits are there? 1, 2. In the denominator, 1 is followed by 2 zeros. That is, 1 is followed by 2 zeros means 100. 1 into 0, 5 by 100 is nothing but 1 into 5 by 100. This is the fractional form. Dear students, in worksheet also I explained all the mains. Remaining questions, in all the mains you do remaining questions in your notebook. So in the next class I am going to take another new chapter. I'll meet you in the next class. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Bye bye.